Guys, I'm heading to the quilt class right now. Getting ready to stop by McDonald's, grab me a bite real quick to eat before I get down there, because I forgot to eat before I left the house. So anyway, I'm not sure how many's going to be there tonight. Hopefully several, because this is a rescheduled class that we had to cancel due to the snow. So hopefully we'll have a full house. So I'll try to video a little bit while I'm there. I'm not sure how much I'll get done, but I'll try to do a little bit. And in case you're wondering, I just have my hair pulled back while I'm driving. I will take it down when I get there. So that's why it looks a little odd. And you get worried about pulling it all together until you got it in? Yeah. Once I got it all the way back around, it doesn't really matter.